From the bustling streets of Baltimore to the hallowed halls of the United States Supreme Court, Thurgood Marshall's journey is one of courage, perseverance, and monumental social change. Born in 1908, Marshall grew up in a segregated America, where opportunities for African Americans were severely limited. Despite these circumstances, he was determined to challenge the injustices woven into the fabric of his society. His life's work not only altered the course of American history, but also reinforced the enduring belief that equality and justice are fundamental human rights. Thurgood Marshall's path was shaped by his family's values and his father's guidance. His father, William, taught him the importance of the law and the power of debate, a force that led Marshall to attend Howard University School of Law. It was here that he was mentored by Charles Hamilton Houston, who instilled in him the strategic vision of dismantling segregation through the legal system. This mentorship invigorated Marshall's commitment to using law as a weapon for civil rights. Graduating magna cum laude in 1933, Marshall's early career was marked by his work for the NAACP, where he quickly established himself as a courageous advocate for civil rights. It was during this time that he began working on cases that would challenge the very notion of separate but equal, championing the rights of African Americans throughout the country. Each case, regardless of size, was a step forward in dismantling systemic racism. Marshall's legal genius shone most brightly in 1954 with the landmark case Brown versus Board of Education. Arguing before the Supreme Court, he effectively contended that state-sanctioned segregation of public schools was a violation of the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. This historic victory decreed that separate educational facilities were inherently unequal, effectively dismantling the legal basis for segregation in public schools. The decision was not just a triumph for African Americans, but a pivotal moment for the civil rights movement, energizing activists and setting a precedent for later legal reforms. Following his monumental win in Brown versus Board of Education, Marshall continued to press forward. His contributions extended beyond his legal victories. He was a tireless proponent of equal protection and rights for all, advocating in cases that would reshape the societal landscape across America. His unwavering pursuit of justice caught the attention of President John F. Kennedy, who appointed him to the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit in 1961. Marshall's influence and prestige only grew, leading to him being named Solicitor General by President Lyndon B. in 1965, making him the first African American to hold the position. Just 2 years later, Marshall reached the pinnacle of his career when President Johnson nominated him to serve as the first African American justice on the United States Supreme Court. Sworn in on October 2, 1967, he served for 24 years, during which he continued to fight for the rights of minorities, women, and the economically disadvantaged. His opinions and dissents were underscored by a commitment to fairness and equality, and his presence on the bench symbolized hope and progress in the ongoing struggle for civil rights. Thurgood Marshall's legacy endures as a reminder of the impact that one resolute individual can have on society. He paved the way for future generations, proving that justice is an achievable goal through tireless advocacy and perseverance. His journey from the challenging streets of Baltimore to the nation's highest court is a testament to the courage and resolve required to enact meaningful change. The spirit of Thurgood Marshall continues to inspire those who fight for justice, embodying the timeless pursuit of equality and the promise that, in America, no dream is too ambitious. Remembering those who paved the way, Black History Month, follow and subscribe.